today's EVS 4. And what are we going to do? We are going to revise about a very, very nutritious topic. So in the previous class, we have revised about fruits, where ma'am told you there are fruits that are eaten with peel, then without peel, then the fruits having one seed, many seeds, then there are some fruits that don't have any seeds, isn't it? And we have also learned that why it is important to eat these fruits every day, because they are giving you a lot of energy. So not only these fruits, class, but the vegetables that mama cook is again very nutritious and an important part of your healthy diet. Yes. So when we are talking of healthy diet, जब हम बात करते हैं healthy खाने की, so vegetables is equally important like fruits. Now many of you don't like eating vegetables. You eat your you eat your paratha or roti with butter, sauce, jam, but that's not good. No, you should always eat whatever vegetable mama has cooked. You should eat that, because again these vegetables are providing you a lot of nutrition. Clear? Now when we are talking of vegetables, there are again two categories here. कुछ vegetables ऐसी होती हैं जिनको हमें कुक करे बिना भी खाया जा सकता है. Like we have cucumber, खीरा सैलेड में ममा कट करती है. Then we have carrot, गाजर, radish, मूली. What you do? We eat all these in the raw form also. हम इनको कच्चा भी खाते हैं. Tomato is there, onion is there. So all these things can be eaten raw. इनको peel अच्छे से wash करो, peel करो, cut करो, and you can eat it as a vegetable salad, or you can call it green salad. Is that clear? Now, not only this, कुछ vegetables ऐसी होती हैं जिन्हें हमें cook करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब brinjal है, ममा मार्केट से brinjal लाएंगे and she'll cut and give you. Can you eat it? No, it needs to be cooked. जब ममा उसको बहुत yummy और delicious बनाती है तब अच्छा लगता है. Same is with potatoes. अब जो potatoes ममा मार्केट से लाए हैं, you cannot eat it like that. It needs to be cooked. So potatoes again a vegetable that we need to cook. We have pumpkin. Pumpkin इतना big होता है, हम उसे खा तो नहीं सकते बिना cook किए. So we need to cook it first. Then we have ladyfinger, we have peas, then we have bottle gourd, ripe gourd, apple gourd. Apple gourd होता है टिंडा. Bottle gourd होती है घिया. Ripe gourd is your tori. So all these vegetables, even all the leafy vegetables, like we have spinach, we have methi, fenugreek. So all these they need to be cooked first. पहले हमें उन्हें cook करना पड़ता है. So class, I am going to show you some pictures and we will see which are the different vegetables can be eaten raw and need to cook. Okay, so let's begin and identify some pictures of different vegetables. Okay. So class, now let's begin and understand about different vegetables, why we should eat them, and which are the vegetables we eat raw, which vegetables need to cook first before we eat them. So you all are ready to begin with? Okay. So the very first thing, why we should eat vegetables? Yes, why we should eat? You all don't like eating vegetables. I know you like parathas, eating with sauce, jam, mayonnaise or cheese, isn't it? But let's understand the importance of vegetables. Vegetables, they help in our physical growth. They build our body and muscles. Enhance our immune system. देखो बच्चे, every now and then the weather keeps changing. Sometimes it's really rainy outside, sometimes it's very hot, sometimes it's cold. तो what these vegetables are doing, ये आपको healthy रखती हैं and they build your immunity. What is immunity? That your body has lot of strength to fight with cold and cough, all these germs. तो आपको जल्दी से cough and cold भी नहीं होगा. Then again, these vegetables help in brain development. आपकी जो mental growth है, आपको intelligent बनाती हैं vegetables. Yes, they make your body muscles strong. आपकी जो body है, muscles हैं, उनको build करती है and they help you to grow. आपको लंबा होना है ना या छोटू सा बेबी रहना है. So you need to grow your height. So to have a good height, to have strong body, sharp mind, you should eat vegetables. Clear everyone? Okay. So now, vegetables that can be eaten raw. So what we are going to see? We are going to see and talk about those vegetables that can be eaten raw. Like we have cabbage. Can you see this cabbage? Cabbage, onion. Now we have purple and white onion. Then we have cucumber, capsicum, carrots, beetroots. So all these are examples of vegetables that can be eaten raw. And these can be eaten raw in the form of green salad. You can also use them in your sandwiches. You can slice them up. You can do a very small size chopping, mix it with cream or mayonnaise, and you can spread it on your bread slice. So like this you can make a sandwich also. Then I told you we use them as green salad. Then even in your burger, whenever you'll order a burger, you will see that the patties is cooked, but all the other vegetables, cucumber, onion, capsicum, then we have lettuce, or sometimes we use cabbage, tomatoes, they all are used in the raw form. So raw matlab bina pakaye, kacha. ठीक है? So which are the vegetables? It's cabbage, onion, cucumber, then we have tomatoes, beetroot, capsicum, carrot, even you can see radish, मूली. Winters में जब मूली आती है, we eat मूली also in salad. Now, which are those vegetables that need to be cooked before eating? So we have lot of vegetables. Let's have a closer look. Yam. Yam is arbi ki sabzi. So again we need to cook it. Then cabbage. I told you in the previous slide, cabbage can be eaten raw and we cook vegetable also. Bitter gourd, करेला. Carrot, जिसको हम raw भी खाते हैं, जिसकी sweet dish भी बनती है और इससे vegetables भी बनती हैं. Then brinjal. Again you cannot have brinjal in this form, you need to cook it. Spinach, pumpkin, capsicum, cauliflower, peas, potatoes. Then you have turnip, shalgam. Jackfruit क्या होता है? Jackfruit is कटहल. Then you have tomato. Then radish. I told you radish. Radish can be eaten in the raw form, or it can be even used for making parathas where they get cooked. And even potato के साथ mix करके we can make vegetable also. Okra. Okra is your lady finger. Clear? Then bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is घिया. Beetroot. Beetroot होती है आपकी which can be eaten raw, and this is used as salad also to dressing for dressing, and some of us we make beetroot parathas also. Chukundur. Beetroot क्या होता है? Chukundur. Then French beans, clary, they all are cooked before eating. And if we move to the other side, again cabbage, tomato, cauliflower. There are so many same vegetables we have. We have chilies, pumpkin. So see, ladyfinger and okra. As I told you, ladyfingers are also known as okra. Okay. So all these vegetables, they need to be cooked first before we eat them. Clear? So class, we have seen that why it is important to eat vegetables. Which are the vegetables we can eat raw, and which are those vegetables we cannot eat raw or we need to cook before we eat them. I hope you all have understood and you are able to identify or differentiate the vegetables can be eaten raw or need to cook. Isn't it? So keep revising the topic again and again. Bye now. Take care.